Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, lalo na po sa ating mga kasamahang OFWs. Ako po ay isa ring OFW at hindi isang vlogger. Minarapat ko lamang pong gawin ito upang ipabatid sa inyo ang sa aking palagay ay lubhang mahalaga para ma-exercise po natin ng karapatang bumoto at pumili ng mga mamumuno sa ating bansa. Ang pamamaraan po ng pagboto ngayon ay higit na kakaiba kumpara sa ating nakagisnan. Dati-rati ay pupunta lamang tayo sa araw ng eleksyon sa ating embahada, pipila, bibigyan tayo ng balota, pipili ng ating napupuso ang kandidato, pipirma at ihuhulog ang ating balota sa ballot box. Ngayon po ay hindi na, malayong malayo po. Nung maisipan ko pong bumoto ng isang araw ay napilitan po akong magsaliksik, pumunta sa website ng COMELEC at napadpad sa website ng Philippine Embassy sa Riyadh. Naging successful naman po ang aking pagboto at naiboto ko po ang gusto kong ibotong mga senador at party list. Meron lamang po akong natuklasan na sa aking palagay ay kailangan ninyong malaman. Ang pagboto po ay may dalawang stage. Kailangan po muna natin magpa-enroll bago po tayo makaboto online. Bagaman po ang pagboto online ay hanggang May 12, ang pag-e-enroll po ay hanggang May 7 lamang po. Sa madali pong salita, kapag po hindi kayo nakapag-enroll on or before May 7, 2025, hindi na po kayo makakaboto. Ipapakita ko po ang advisory na galing sa Philippine Embassy bilang patunay sa aking inilahad. Ito po ang advisory na galing sa ating embassy. Makikita nyo po yan. Enrollment is only until 07 May 2025. Thus, the link will be accessible only until 7 May 2025. Ibig pong sabihin, pag hindi po kayo nakapag-enroll hanggang May 7, hindi na po kayo makakaboto. Ng May 8, May 9, May 10, May 11, at ang mismong araw po ng eleksyon na May 12. Papakita ko rin po sa inyo yung kanilang advisory noong na-inisyo nila noong April 6, 2025. The Philippine Embassy in Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, informs all registered overseas voters that the only mode of voting to be implemented for the 2025 national elections in Saudi Arabia and Yemen is internet online voting. Starting 13 April 2025 at 8 a.m. until 12 May 2025, 2 p.m. Saudi Arabia time, including weekends and holidays, all registered overseas voters may cast their ballots using smartphone, laptop, tablet, or any digital device with internet connectivity. The embassy also clarifies that any registered voters who visits the embassy will still have to cast their votes through their own device. Please note that all registered overseas voters must first pre-enroll in order to vote online. Please refer to the earlier advisory on pre-voting enrollment for the step-by-step guide. So maliwanag po dyan na kahit po kayo ay magpunta sa embassy, yung pa rin pong device ninyo ang inyong gagamitin. So ito po yung advisory sa pre-voting enrollment link at requirements and step-by-step enrollment process. Ito po ay na-issue noong 26 March 2025. Basahin po natin. The Philippine Embassy informs all registered overseas voters under the jurisdiction of Embassy in Saudi Arabia and Yemen that the OVCS pre-voting enrollment link is now live. Please be informed that there are 3 ways to enroll: by yourself using your own internet-capable device, B. At the enrollment kiosk during regular business hours at the multipurpose hall, Philippine Embassy Diplomatic Quarter in Riyadh, please be informed that only a maximum of 100 registered overseas voters may be accommodated per day. During Embassy on Wheels, date and venue to be announced at the Embassy's official social media channels. Requirements 1. Any of the following IDs: Philippine passport, Seafarer's book, PhilSys ID, Integrated Bar of the Philippines ID, driver's license. 2. Stable internet connection. And 3. Internet-capable devices such as smartphones, tablets, etc. Here's the step-by-step enrollment process for registered overseas voters. Have your valid Philippine ID ready? Scan the QR code below or copy and paste the link below to your preferred web browser. Yan po ang link. Click the search button for the form to appear. Fill out the required form and one-time PIN will be sent to the email address you provided. When prompted, grant access to your device camera and microphone. When prompted, take a selfie and a photo of your valid ID and the system will automatically upload this. Verify if the retrieved data of the system matches your details. Submit if correct, otherwise repeat the process. A confirmation message will be automatically sent to the mobile number you provided. Bilang paalala lamang po, kailangan po nating ihanda ang listahan ng ating iboboto kasama po ang kanilang numero. Napakahalaga po niyan para mapabilis ang ating pagboto. Kung may kakilala po kayo, kaibigan, kapamilya, o katrabaho na hindi pa rehistrado, pakishare po ang impormasyon na ito. Tulungan po natin ang isa't isa. Sabay-sabay tayong bumoto, sabay-sabay nating baguhin ang kinabukasan ng Pilipinas. Bawat boto po ay mahalaga. Magpa-enroll na po at bumoto bago mag-May 7, 2025. Salamat po.